Good afternoon, everybody. This is a POULAN weed whacker. Here is the weed whacker. This is the carburetor for that weed whacker. I have a mocked setting to show the fuel flow in this carburetor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button and the fuel should be flowing one way, which you should see in the tubes. It should be flowing from the gas to this part of the carburetor, comes out of the carburetor to the primer bulb, and then back to the gas tank. It is a one-way valve for the primer, it is a one-way valve for the carburetor, and therefore it should be a solid state. So when I press the primer button, you see that there's air coming out of the carburetor. That is not supposed to happen. It is supposed to be a continuous flow of gas. So therefore, there is something wrong with this carburetor. Just a few minutes ago, I had went and took apart the top, and I went and took apart the bottom, and I went and blew everything out, and took it out with the tweezers, the screwdriver, a toothpick, and a friggin' ear bud. And still, I get this airflow that is happening. So there is something else very wrong with this carburetor, which is causing air to flow out of the carburetor. And so my next step would be to go and get a carburetor rebuild kit to address the problem, because when you press down, it is not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be solid fuel coming out of the carburetor, and it's not. Solid fuel is going in. There's no air, there's no doubt about it, but when it comes out, you have air. Something is seriously wrong with this carburetor. So this is end of this video.